Good afternoon, everybody. As you can see, I've posted the Thursday agenda for week one. So you click on that, you can follow along or just watch this video. So by the time Sunday ends, which all assignments are due Sunday at night the following week, you should have completed on Google Classroom your introduction to me, your multiple choice portion of the pretest, your written summary of the article, and your argumentative essay. Okay? And remember, those are credit or no credit. So all you have to do is give effort, okay? So let's move on to questions of identity. Who am I? I'm a student going into 7th grade. I'm currently in summer school. Why am I doing this? Am I a student that's been turning the assignments? Why am I doing the assignments? Am I trying to grow as a person, as a student? Why am I doing this way? Right? This is our first week together. Let's make a good impression on each other, okay? So your learning targets and success criteria. So instead of giving you an extra activity today, I figured this could be a day for everyone to kind of catch up on the assignments that you haven't been working on. This is not how normally I'm going to do things, but I realize that if you're feeling overwhelmed right now, the workload will be a little more relaxed moving forward. I know I'm asking a lot of you for the first week, but remember, because I'm not grading it, I'm just giving credit or no credit, okay? So for those who haven't done the introduction of me yet, read each question thoroughly, give an honest response to all questions. Those who haven't taken the multiple choice portion of the pretest, read each question thoroughly, review all questions and answers. Read the passages deeply and closely. Thoughtfully respond to the summary of the article. Give a clear description of what the article is saying. Think about what the article is trying to teach us. Take your time for your best results. And finally, clearly respond to the argumentative essay prompt, which was yesterday's assignment. Make a clear claim. Think about the points you are making. And take your time for best results. Okay, guys? So if you go on Google Classroom, you see everything that is due for this week. Go to the classwork. Everything is laid out for you. Wednesday's assignment, Tuesday's assignment, Monday's assignment, okay? You have till Sunday to do all of this. If you have any questions at all, please contact me, email me. I've sent out my email already. It's also in the syllabus. Leave a post on Google Classroom, or just leave a comment on the assignment like, hey, Mr. Shulk, I was confused about this part. Did I do it correctly? I'm here to help you, okay? Have a great weekend.